Blue Stars High Secondary School, Class 1, Subject Maths. Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to see book exercises for Chapter 7, Measurement. So, children, everyone, ready with your Maths textbook. Children, take page number 93 in your textbook. Chapter 7, Measurement. Longer, shorter. So children, see, you can see which one is longer and which one is shorter. See here, this pencil is longer, this pencil is shorter. Again, come next one, ladder. This is ladder. This ladder is longer and this one is shorter. Now, you itself going to find the answer, children. See, tick the longer. Here you have to tick only longer object. See here, this is leaf. Which leaf is longer, children? This one or this? Yes, this one. So, tick here. Then, broomstick. Which broomstick is longer here? Exactly, this one. So, tick here. Then, come to next. Tick the shorter. This is rope, children. You can know, you itself know the answer, I think. Which rope is shorter? So, you itself tick the answer, children. Here also see which stick is shorter. Yes. This two alone, you itself try to find the answer, children. Next, move on to page number 94. Chilli. What is this? Red chilli. 3 chillis are here. Among 3 chillis, first one is longest chilli. Then last chilli is shortest chilli. Among 3 chillis, this one is shortest. Likewise, you are going to find among these three, which one is longest, children? Yes, this one is longest. And which one is the shortest? Very good. Come to next. Corn. Which corn is the longest corn? Yes, this one. And which corn is the shortest corn? Sorry, children. Here we have to tick only longest. Longest alone we have to tick. So, longest corn. This one is longest. We should not tick here shortest. Then come to next. Tick the shortest alone. Here walking stick. So, here you have to tick only shortest stick. Then children, take page number 95. Taller, shorter. See here, giraffe. This is taller, this is shorter. See, 2 men are standing here. 2 men are standing here. This man is taller, this man is shorter. Now, you are going to tick the taller alone. So, which bird is taller here? Exactly, crane. Here, which is taller? Calf or cow? Cow. So, tick here. Tick the shorter. This one you itself try to find the answer, children. Easy, no? Then, move on to page number 96. Tallest, shortest. Children, see 3 buildings, which is house. This among these 3, this is the tallest house. Then this is the shortest house. Likewise, this sapling is the shortest one. This tree is the tallest one. So, among these 3 birds, which is the tallest, children? Yes, this one. Which is the shortest? Clown. Yes, this one. Children, then take page number 97. Thicker, thinner. Children, see 2 girls' hair. See, this one is thinner hair. This one is thicker. This girl is having thinner hair. This girl is having thicker hair. Next, move on to next. What is this? Children, thread. this one has thicker thread, bundle of thread, then here thinner thread. Come to next, broomstick. Which is thicker, which is thicker and thinner, children? Yes, this one is thicker. So tick thicker alone. Then see the trunk of the tree, which is thicker. Yes, this one is thicker and this one is thinner. Likewise, you have to tick the correct answer. You have to tick the thinner alone. Which arrow is thinner? Yes. Again, which rope is thinner? Think and tick the answer, children. Then take page number 98, children. Thickest, thinnest. Among these three books, this is thickest book and this is thinnest book. Again, next. Again, these three paper roll. This one is thickest. This one is thinnest. Come to next, children. Tick the thickest. Among these three pencils, which is the thickest pencil, children? This one or this one? Yes, red color pencil is the thickest pencil. Then, tick the thinnest. These three are painting brush. Which one is thinnest? You would try to find the answer. Then move on to page number 99. Heavier, lighter. See here, children. This pumpkin is heavier. Tomato is lighter. So, heavier, lighter. Elephant is heavier. Ant is lighter. Now you say tick the lighter object here. This is shirt. This is lock. Now you say which is lighter? Lock or shirt, children? Very good. Shirt is lighter. Then see cylinder. Which one is lighter and which one is heavier? Good. This one is lighter. Next, tick the heavier. Now you say, children, which one is heavier? Kite or thread? Yes, you itself try to find the answer. Then move on to next. Whale and fish. Which one is heavier, children? Here also you itself try to find the answer. Now move on to page number 100. Heaviest, lightest. Children, see watermelon. 3 watermelon given here. Among these 3, which is the heaviest? Yes, first one is heaviest. Last one is lightest. Likewise, see here. 3 containers are given here. Which one is the heaviest, children? Children, this one is water container. This one is thread. This one is paint box. So, which one is heaviest, children, amongst these 3? Yes, this one. Come to next. Take the lightest. Which one is lightest, children? Hammer, bookshelf, then shirt. Which one? Yes, this one is lightest. Likewise, you complete last one. Tick the heaviest. Which one is heaviest? So, children, today's homework is you have to complete from page number 93 to 100. Children, this is very simple homework. You have to tick alone. You itself try to find the answer, children. See you next class. Thank you.